garden and then born the tree. Okay.
Make a tree out of that.
Okay. Then. Yeah.
How you gonna get that out of there? Use a spoon.
Maybe the spoon or maybe the.
A spoon.
Okay. Or the knife. Okay. And then the camera is. Take the camera. Take it careful. Yeah. This is put it over two piece. Yeah. And then you put it in. And careful because the avocado is tender. Yeah. And it's smooth. Yeah. And you have to the spoon because Melissa doesn't want to use the knife. Yeah? It's more easily the spoon. Okay. I think this avocado, if you don't full the this avocado is lost because it doesn't have a disease. Okay. And you take it in.
We eat it all.
Yeah, a lot of. And Melissa have to full this plate. Okay. Maybe. Okay. I finished to prepare. My goodness. Okay. We have to finish. And then the spoon we have to put it in the sink when I had to take it the cleaner. Yeah. Okay.
That's right.
Yes.
And then let's add the pineapple.
The pineapple and the. This is the garbage. Is the good for the garden?
Yeah. Don't put it in the garbage disposal.
No?
It goes in the garbage.
Yeah, this is the garbage for this garden. Okay,
When it'll tear up the garbage disposal.
Melissa, the camera, take it, Melissa.
Yes.
Yes. Use this for the garbage in the garden. Okay, when I have to keep it now here. Yeah.
And put it there with the pineapple.
Oh, the pineapple.
Yeah.
Look, Melissa is keeping the pineapple cup. Or what is this? The
Rind.
ranch. Well, I don't know what this word because it's, I am learning English.
Latino.
Latino. I am Latino. Okay. Now, it's the more important. It is the secret for the plate. Okay.
Yes.
The secret. Yeah. It's the whole secret. Yeah.
Almonds.
And then, careful to take a little bit of the pineapple and put it on the plate.
Just one piece.
You put it only one piece. I don't recommend.
Don't recommend it?
Yeah.
Why?
You have to put it two less piece of the pineapple. Yeah. No one. Yeah. Because you only one put it only one.
Only one. It's like.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Okay. Put it the other. Well, the other.
On the other.
Put it here.
And another.
Another.
Oh, that's
This is good. Yeah.
good.
Come on, this is the movie because it's the we have to put the pineapple around and the tilapia. Yeah. Look. It's
Beautiful.
looks like a beautiful plate. We have to keep this on the other plate because maybe one person is invited and maybe he want to eat and taste a little bit of the pineapple. Yeah, it's the pineapple on the grill with the cinnamon. Okay?
And then have a drink.
And then?
Let's have a drink.
Okay.
Let's have a toast.
Have a drink. Okay.
Where's yours?
Oh, let me take
Let's
it
have a
in
toast.
mine. Because
Keep locking the door. I can't remember to shut the door.
Okay. Salud, compadre. Salud, compadre.
Salud.
¿O no, compadre?
No, compadre.
No, compadre. Bueno.
Pepe.
Okay. Melissa and Pepe. Okay. Salud.
Salud. Means it's salud.
Ah, this is delicious. It's delicious.
So delicious.
Okay, we recommended red wine in a little cup or glass. Then la brusco name the red wine. Yeah.
Brusco.
Okay.
We're done.
We're done. Okay.